We've been learning about fractions. So what can you tell me about fractions? What does the bottom number of a fraction mean? If the bottom is the number 10, what does that mean, Lydia? It's the denominator. Okay, if we're looking at a picture and it asks what fraction of the part is blue, what do we know about that bottom number? How many, Ella? Yeah, the total is on the bottom. Okay, and the number we're talking about, if there's 4 blue pieces, the top number is going to be 4. Okay? So, today we're talking about fractions and decimals and how they go together. And we're going to be using our money the next few days, not today, to help do that. Can we think of things that we would buy or use that might come in a group of 10 or a group of 100? Landon?
No.
Can you think of something that would come in a group of 10 if you were to buy it at the store? Or 100?
Notebook.
Notebooks, maybe? You could buy a big pack of notebooks that have like 10 of them in there. Something else, Farzad? Marshmallows. Might be 100 marshmallows in a bag. Adrian? Water balloons. Gabe? Chips. Ella? Little pencil erasers. Elliot? Popsicle sticks. Good. Okay, so we're gonna use probably, let's say we have water balloons. I'm gonna go buy 100 water balloons. Okay? Of my 100 water balloons, 23 are green. Okay? So, this is how we write it as a fraction. How can we write it in words? Say it out loud. 23
Decimal.
Reza? Three. When we use, let's say we have 4 of something. I'm using 1. What do you say? 1/4. What about if I have 6 of something? 6 total, and I'm talking about 2 of them. You say 2. Ella? 6ths. What do you hear at the end? 4ths, 5ths, 6ths. Riley, what do you hear at the end? THS. So when I have 23 over 100, it's 23. You're going to say 100. And then what am I going to add at the end? THS. Hundredths. Okay, so we're adding the THS at the end. All right, so now we're going to learn another way. Fractions as decimals. Okay? There's a really big chart here. Okay, so when you write a fraction as a decimal, here's what it looks like. If we don't have any whole, we're talking about 3/10. So 3/10 looks like this as a fraction. Where do you think my 3 is going to go over here? Elliot, where do you think it's going to go? Yeah, right here. Okay. Now, if I have, let's do our other example, 23/100ths. Where am I going to put that 23, Adrian? Are they both going to go there? What number is going to go here? on this line, you can only fit one number,
2.
2. What's going to go on this line?
10. 3.
23, and we're at the hundredth spot. Hundredths. Okay? Now look at a couple examples, and then play a little game. Okay?
Showing us the answers.
Yep. Okay, so when you have 3 tenths, the 3 is in the 10th spot. 3 hundredths, you have to get all the way over to that 100th spot, so it's in the 100th spot. Okay, so we're going to have a little practice, play a little game. Who can come up here and match 7 tenths with its decimal? You just have to drag it, so use your knuckle and drag it. 7 tenths, which one matches? Dylan, you want to come up here and do 7 tenths? Seven tenths, so drag it. Right on top of it. Oh. Okay, it didn't work, but it's supposed to be 7 tenths. So yep, that one's right. Okay. Anyway. 15 over 100. 15 hundredths. And what do you notice about the two numbers? What do you notice? Lydia, what do you notice? They're what? There's both a 1, and then what's the second number? What do you notice about this one and this one? Yeah, they're both 15. Okay, so 99 hundredths. Adrian? Two tenths. Gabe? Oh,
No.
there you go. Okay, 7 hundredths. Callie? Nice stretch. There you go. Okay, and the last one, 6 tenths. Elliot? Perfect. Okay, we're going to go through a quick example. Amy has a set of 10 markers, so these are her 10 markers. 3 of the markers are green. What part of the set of markers is green? So how can we write that as a fraction? What do we need to write as a fraction, Breza?
3 tenths.
3. All right, go ahead and write it. 3 tenths. Okay, who can come up and write it as a decimal? Ella? A decimal. That's the one we just matched. Sure, there you go. There you go. Okay, 0.3. The 3 is in the 10th spot. Okay, and words. Words, Mason. 3 tenths. Use cursive, please. Okay, you gotta try and not have your hand down, okay? There you go. 3 tenths. Tenths. So start with 10. And then you have to add to the end. There you go. Okay. Try another one. Tiled wall is made up of 100, so we're doing hundreds now that are the same size and shape. Joel painted 27 of the tiles red. What part of the whole wall did he paint red? So 27 he painted red. Out of 100, who can write that as a fraction? Lydia? Okay, decimal. Trey? Very good. Okay, and the last one in words. Words. Dylan? Seven hundredths. Share these words. There you go. 27. Hundredths. Okay, there you go. All right, very good. Okay, and we are going to do our guided practice. This is Postcards Group.